Russell Tree Experts offers deep root irrigation services to water trees suffering from inadequate hydration. Using an irrigation lance, we penetrate the surface of the soil and inject water 6 to 8 inches below ground level. This minimizes water runoff and reduces the amount of water being taken by grass and surrounding plants. The water is delivered out of a lance in 4 separate streams with approximately 200 psi of pressure. An additional benefit of this watering method is that some soil decompaction will occur. This adds valuable pore space back into the soil for future root growth, increases the rate of water infiltration, and improves gas exchange. The amount of recommended water for a tree will vary depending on the particular tree's size, level of establishment, and planting site. All trees need water, but the trees that will benefit most from deep root irrigation are trees recently planted in the last 1 to 3 years that may not be receiving water regularly due to factors such as out-of-town homeowners or being inaccessible by a garden hose or traditional watering methods. A week of heat stress and no water for a newly planted tree can have detrimental effects towards a tree's health. Other tree candidates that can benefit from deep root irrigation are established trees in restricted root zones like parking lots or sidewalk cutouts, trees that have experienced soil compaction or root disturbance events such as construction or grade change, established trees that have recently received a root zone invigoration, trees experiencing stress from insect infestation or disease, overmature trees beginning to decline, and established trees during extreme periods of drought. Depending on your particular needs or specific tree, multiple deep root irrigation visits may be needed for optimal results. To request a free tree work quote, please visit our website or call us at 614-895-7000, and one of our 20-plus ISA certified arborists will help determine the best care for your trees.